Hi guys, here you've got Apple iPhone, and let me show you how to create a new album in your gallery. So first of all, you have to open your gallery, and then in a left corner you will notice plus icon, which is for create new album. Just tap on plus and then select new album. And now you need to enter the name for this album, so let me name it, for example, Summer, and tap on save. Now just add photos that you would like to have inside. Let me pick some photos and then tap on done. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got this brand new album, and if you'll open it, here you've got the photos that you picked. You can also tap on plus to add some more pictures. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.